So I hope you can see on screen chapter number 6, listening skills. We are going to begin. This is a very small chapter. Easily in in 2 lectures maximum, we will finish this chapter. Now, what are the things we are going to learn? Let us understand first what is the difference between listening and hearing. Okay, I will just now what is hearing and listening? What are you doing right now? Hearing or listening? Hearing. Okay, my sound. I'm asking whatever the sentences I speak, whether you listen or whether you hear. Listen. Okay. The sound of fan, whether you listen or hear. Hear. Everything is hearing. And what is listening then? What's listening? If everything you mean to say hearing, then what is the difference between listening and hearing? Okay. The sound which is going on outside, bird is chirping, that sound is there. Your ears can hear, but you don't focus on the sound. That is hearing. Even the sound of fan, the noise of fan is your hearing. Your ears can hear that, but you are not focusing on that sound. But you are focusing on, concentrating on the words I say, the sentences I say. That is listening. Okay, understood what is the difference between listening and hearing? Listening is proper concentration. So here I have given the definition. First we will understand the definition and then we will understand the differentiation between both. Hearing refers to the awareness of the sound. We can get aware of the sound without really processing what is being said. But we don't process that. We don't concentrate and we don't process the sound. We don't try to get meaning out of it. See, the sound is going on, but do you process the sound, what is going on? You know that sound is there, sound of fan, sound of birds, it's there. But you don't process it. You need not to find out the meaning out of it. Whereas whatever I am saying, you process that. All the sentences, words you try to understand. जो भी मैं बोल रही हूँ उसका क्या मीनिंग है, मतलब क्या है, आपका ब्रेन प्रोसेसिंग कर रहे हैं ना? Is it or no? Okay, so that is called as hearing. When you don't concentrate, when you do not process any sound that you the sound that you are made aware of. See, you are aware the sound is going on, but you need not to process this hearing. Even suppose when I'm talking, I can make such sounds. You can hear, but you need not to focus on that. Correct. Sometimes the sound of bench can be there. Sometimes the sound of chalk can be there. That's hearing. But when you concentrate on the things and you process the meaning out of that, it becomes listening. Listening is a conscious positive act which requires willpower. Listening क्या है? Consciously you consciously means you are aware of what you are listening. Conscious state of your mind. आप consciously अभी listen कर रहे हो. You are aware of whatever I'm saying to you. Okay. It is conscious, positive act that requires willpower. अगर आपके मन में विल पावर नहीं है, बहुत बार थर्ड लेक्चर में ऐसे होता है, विल पावर नहीं है, विल पावर ऐसे हो गया है, ऐसे हो गया है, थर्ड लेक्चर आते वक्त will you listen to me? No, it will be just hearing. कान पे आवाज कुछ तो गिर रही है, मैम कुछ तो बोल रहे हैं, दिमाग में प्रोसेस कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा है, मैं तो ऐसे ही बैठा, हाँ यहाँ से आ रहा है, यहाँ से चला जा रहा है, पता नहीं कहाँ पे जा रहा है, बट यहाँ पे प्रोसेस बिल्कुल भी नहीं हो रहा है, hearing हो रहा है. Listening, you require willpower to concentrate on whatever the word is said, and even you need willpower to process that, to understand it. That is called as listening. So most of the time when there is intellectual listening, now this is your intellectual listening. आप ध्यान देख के सुन रहे हो, you need your brain capacity to understand that. इंटेलेक्चुअल लिसनिंग। बाकी के सभी लिसनिंग इंटेलेक्चुअल नहीं होते। अगर कोई आप देखो मूवी देख रहे हो, वहां पे लिसनिंग इंटेलेक्चुअल नहीं है, आपको समझने के लिए इतना आपका ब्रेन यूज करना जरूरी नहीं है। लेक्चर में जो आपको सुन रहे हो, वट एवर यू लिसन, यू नीड योर ब्रेन अ लॉट, ब्रेन कैपेसिटी, एंड you must use that and to understand whatever is spoken to you. Okay, then listening is a conscious effort by the receiver to perceive and understand the message. First you need to perceive that, after perceiving you need to understand it, and it is done consciously. These words are very important. In the exam, question can be, listening is blank effort by the receiver to perceive and understand the message. It is a conscious effort that you should remember. In the last lecture, in Saturday's lecture, you have appeared one test. Okay, so feedback ka tha na? Self feedback is blank in nature. It is self feedback is reflexive in nature. तो ऐसे आपको क्वेश्चन आ सकते हैं. You should prepare these questions. Even ऐसे भी हो सकता है, listening is a conscious positive act. Positive नहीं होगा. Listening is a conscious blank act. So you should remember it is positive. Option में होगा negative, positive, then effortless. Anything can be there. So you should select positive one. Understood the difference between listening and hearing? Wear mask. Mask का क्या आप लोगों का? It is not to show us. If you are coming for the online classes, offline classes, you must follow the protocol, or else you are not allowed to sit in the class. Where is your mask? हाँ? नहीं लाया तो बाहर जाओ क्लास से. नहीं तो पीछे बैठो, 2 बेंच पीछे बैठो. This is the last lecture. Okay. Where is your mask? Mask is compulsory. अभी नया वेरिएंट आ गया है. Take care of yourself. मैं ये आपको रिस्ट्रिक्शन डाल रही हूँ, पूछ रही हूँ. Why I am asking those things? Because we must care for ourselves as well as for yourself. आप खुद का ध्यान नहीं रखोगे, then खुद की जिंदगी तो आप डेंजर में डाल दोगे, बाकी लोगों को भी जिंदगी आप डेंजर में डाल रहे हो. Okay, let us continue. Then what's the difference between listening and hearing? Listening is active activity. Now you all are actively listening to me. All your concentration is there. Hearing passive activity. अभी देखो फैन का साउंड बज रहा है. It is going on, but you are not actively listening to that. It is passive. The sound is going on. Your ears can hear, but you don't process that. It is passive activity. Listening involves efforts and attention. You need to pay your efforts. You need to pay your attention. You must take certain efforts. आपको खुद से listening के लिए efforts डालना है. Attention pay करना है. Or else listening will not take place. It will be hearing only. Correct? Listening में आपको efforts देने हैं. Attention pay करना है. Whereas hearing, it is natural and effortless. आपको ये सुनने के लिए कोई एफर्ट लेना जरूरी है? फैन का साउंड एफर्ट लेना जरूरी है? इट इज नेचुरल. देयर इज नो नीड टू टेक एनी एफर्ट. इट इज एफर्टलेस. लेकिन लिसनिंग करना है, सो ही इज हियरिंग नाउ. कैन यू सी ऑन द फेस? इट इज द हियरिंग इज गोइंग ऑन, नॉट लिसनिंग. आर यू टेकिंग एनी एफर्ट to hear or to not hear, to listen to me? कुछ एफर्ट ले रहे बच्चा? अच्छा ले रहे हैं, ऐसे अब बता रहे हैं, but I can't see those efforts. पनिशमेंट मिल गया तो ऐसे छोड़ दिया क्या पूरा? Then see, physical classes are there, but you are not allowed to sit in a group. We must follow these restrictions. और आप तो ठीक है लेक्चर में आप ही पहले बंदे होंगे कि जो क्लास में ऐसा डिस्टरबेंस क्रिएट किया है और जिसको ऐसे पनिशमेंट मिल गया है। ऑफलाइन क्लासेस कब से स्टार्ट है और ऑल दीज आर डिसेंट पीपल एंड आई होप यू विल बी आल्सो अ डिसेंट पर्सन। छोड़ दिया, ये भी सुनना नहीं उसको। ओके, लेट इट बी। नेक्स्ट, listening, conscious effort by the receiver to perceive and understand. Okay, listening is what? It is a conscious effort taken by the receiver to perceive and understand. We have seen this definition. Hearing does not require to put efforts to hear. Then one cannot listen if efforts are not taken. कुछ efforts ही नहीं लिया है तो listening कैसे होगा बताइए आप? Is it possible? अभी ये सुना. Now he listened. Earlier there wasn't any effort. Then one cannot hear when ears are defective and closed or closed. Listening कब नहीं हो सकता, hearing कब नहीं हो सकता? Those things I have given in the next point. When listening can't take place, if you don't take any effort, listening may not take place. Okay, and hearing कब नहीं हो सकता? अगर if the person is deaf, सुन नहीं सकता है, or the ears are closed, you have closed your ears by using something, you may not be able to hear. बहुत बार ऐसे होता है ना, your mother or your sister, brother, they may be calling you, और अपने earphones डाल के बैठे हो, your ears are closed, you may not be able to listen if they are calling you. Then listening requires willpower. Willpower is needed or else listening may not take place. Hearing does not require willpower. Willpower की जरूरी है? कोई भी बाहर का साउंड है सुनने के लिए willpower जरूरी है? No, it is automatic. Naturally it is happening. तो उसके ऊपर hearing के ऊपर आपका control है? No. But listening you must. When you are doing listening, you must pay attention. You should take certain efforts consciously. You should, with your willpower, you should listen to the person. Then you will understand. Lecture में ऐसे होता है ना, willpower नहीं होता है, efforts आप नहीं लेते हो, consciously, attentively attend नहीं करते lecture. That's why you can't understand anything. That's why this topic is given in your syllabus. Why listening skill have been added in your syllabus? Why it is added in your syllabus? So that the students will come to know what's hearing and what's listening, what exactly they do in the class, what are the things that, which kind of mistakes that they do, and what are the things, solutions, so that they can improve their listening skill. Then next is we listen with the mind and we hear with the ears. That you should remember. This question is important. Listening, we listen with my mind, consciously, attentively, conscious mind, you listen. And hearing, you listen, you hear with your ears. कान से सुनते हैं, but ये प्रोसेस कुछ भी नहीं होता है. The sound is not processing, whereas listening में आप माइंड से सुनते हैं और वो प्रोसेस होता है पूरा. Understood? Then why listening is essential? See, listening is essential for oral communication. Oral communication के लिए जरूरी है या नहीं? Is it needed or not? If suppose I am there, we are doing oral communication and you don't listen to me, what's the use of any communication? Is there any use? No. So if there is no receiver or listener, there will not be any communication. Oral communication होगा भी नहीं, listener ही नहीं है, oral communication होगा नहीं. During oral communication, listener can use body language to put the speaker at ease. We have learned body language. Most of the time I use body language so that you can pay attention. जब हम लोग body language use करते हैं, that makes the receiver to pay attention. नहीं तो मैं ऐसे ही बैठी हूँ continuously without moving. If I talk, you may not pay much attention. Most of the time I make circles or I use my gesture so that you can pay attention to whatever I listen or whatever I speak. Okay, sorry for the mistake. So to make the listeners at ease, comfortable, speaker must use body language. Listening carefully and attentively is essential in all human activities and also in business organization. Business organization में अगर आप, if you are not a good listener, if your boss has given certain instruction to you, you are not able to concentrate on that, will it be possible to perform that whatever command or order have been given to you? Will you complete that task? आप complete कर पाओगे? No, because you have not understood anything. You were poor in listening. Okay. And it is also important for all our human activities, day-to-day activities. हर रोज के रोजमर्रा के भी activities करते समय at home, your mother has given you a task. You are doing that, but you are not listening to her what she is saying. There are chances you may commit mistake. So you should listen properly, and all our activities are based on proper hearing, listening, and speaking. Most of the time we do oral communication. बहुत बार हम लोग क्या करते हैं, oral communication ही करते हैं ना. So during oral communication, listening is very essential. It is vital for students. Vital, very important. है ना, जरूरी, बहुत जरूरी है ना, है या नहीं? It is. Because your learning is based on what? Listening only. Now you can see on screen. That's correct. But most of the part, only these points are given on the screen. But apart from that, many things I explain. If you don't listen properly, you may not be able to understand the point given on the slide. Then empathetic listening helps in improving relations with employees and their morale and motivation. Now what is this empathy? Empathy का मतलब क्या है? Putting oneself at another person's place and understanding his situation and problem and whatever the emotional state the person is having. मतलब खुद को दूसरे के शू में फिक्स करना. In simple terms, शू में फिक्स करना मतलब उसका शू नहीं पहनना है. Do not do that. Only the thing is, you understand the person's situation. आप उसके सोच, उसके जैसे सोचने लगते हो. ऐसे क्यों कर रहा है? Why the person is doing this? Okay, and you try to understand the person's feelings, emotional state. You will understand what exactly the person's problem is. That is called as empathy. And empathetic listening means you understand the person properly. With empathy, you listen. Okay, with empathy, you listen means you put yourself when the person is speaking and you imagine what's going on with the person. Okay, empathetic listening. And that is very important to develop the relations with the employees, to develop their morale, as well as to develop the motivation amongst the employees. Suppose there is a problem with the employee and he has come to manager. Manager, if suppose he starts shouting at him, will he express anything ahead? Next time he will not go to him. Whatever the problem is, that he will suffer and he will continue with that. Or someday he may leave the job. Correct. But suppose the manager is good. He is listening empathetically. He is understanding the problem faced by the person. Then he will try to solve the problem so that relation between manager and that employee will be developed. Even the employee will get motivated that my problem got solved, so I must do the work in a better manner. Motivation मिल जाएगा उसको. Correct. So empathetic listening is very important to develop the relations, morale, and motivation. Good listening saves time. अगर आप suppose both in your class it's going on well, but suppose the class is not good. Students do not pay attention properly, and because of that they are not able to understand the concept. वो समझ ही नहीं पा रहे क्योंकि वो concentration नहीं कर रहे, अच्छे से सुन नहीं रहे. So it will take time for the teacher to finish the topic. और topic finish करने के लिए बहुत time लगेगा. Because until and unless the students understand, the teacher can't move ahead. The teacher can't teach the next point. Correct. So that the students should pay proper attention. If they listen properly, then the speaker can save the time. He can finish all the points which are there in his mind. Anyone? Yeah, good listening can enhance mutual understanding. Then what are the advantages of listening? Listening helps to obtain information. Obtaining means getting the information. You can get information through listening. कर सकते हैं ना? Suppose there is a new equipment, you don't know how to use that. You can ask somebody, can you please explain how to use that machine? So the person will tell you, these are the functions, and you can get the information about the machine, how to use. Understood? So a listener can obtain new ideas, information after listening to a speaker. Then listening helps to solve problems. This question is many times asked in the exam. Listening helps to solve problems. So you might wonder, okay, speaking से तो हम लोग दूसरे का problem solve कर सकते हैं. Listening से कैसे करेंगे problem solve? See, most of the time the issue is people have problem, but they don't have a person to share with it. बहुत बार ऐसे होता है वो बोल दे तो भी वो उनका मन हल्का हो जाता है. Okay, if they speak to somebody, if somebody is there to listen, that's the main issue of this generation, that there is nobody to listen to him or her. That mutual friend is missing. I'm using the word mutual understanding hone wala friend. Means the person will not see, the person will help the friend to solve the problem, or the person will help in many ways. So those friends are missing. That most of the time it happens that you will listen and you will make your own comments, and the things will go in a different way. हम लोगों को ऐसा रहता है, we have the ego and we say in such a manner the person may not express in future. ऐसे बहुत बार होता है, आप कुछ को बताने चाहते हैं और वो कुछ को अलग ही बोलते रहता है, तो क्या होगा, नेक्स्ट टाइम आप उसको कुछ भी बताओगे नहीं. So that proper empathetic listener is missing nowadays. So if there is a good listener, the person will listen to you properly, he will understand your problem, and he may provide you a solution so that your problems can be solved. This is how you can solve your problem, through listening. Then listening can be used to develop better relations. In the organization, especially manager, see, whatever work his manager is doing, out of that work, most of the time he should listen to the employees. And if he is not a good listener, he can't develop good relation with the employee. So the first requirement for the manager is communication skills as well as listening skills, so that you can develop good relations. Then listening helps to know the organization in a better manner. Suppose you have joined a new organization, everything is new to you. How the way you will come to know about the organization? You will listen to other people. What are the rules, regulations, how the things going on? Then who is the main authority? कैसे functioning होता है, क्या चीजें होती है, what are the certain secrets? All the information you will come to know through listening. When you try listening to others, automatically you can gain information, you can get information about the organization. It helps in framing plans and policies. Proper listening to subordinates, higher authorities, they can make plans as well as policies. Management, higher authorities, कोई भी plan बनाना है, policy बनानी है, before making that they must listen to their employees, their subordinates. After that they must make any plan, any policy. अगर उनसे कुछ भी suggestion नहीं लिया है, feedback नहीं लिए है और वो plan बना दिया, that plan is going to be a failure. It will go in dustbin because it is not based on reality, real life experiences. The real life experiences will be shared by the employees only, and based on that you must plan, or else it is useless. Okay. Then it helps in decision making. As I have told you, the first hand experience employees have of everything. because they work in the organization में कौन काम करता है, employees करते हैं. अगर कोई भी machine use करे तो उसका कुछ problem आ रहा है, then who knows better? Employee knows the better. Correct. So they have the first hand experience. They must give the feedback, they must give the suggestions to the higher authorities, to the management, to the managers, so that they can take the decision. कोई भी decision लेना है तो उससे पहले किसको concern करना है, they must listen to the employee and then they must take the decision. Then it provides encouragement. Exactly. See, some of you are sleeping, some of you are yawning, another person may, I don't know whether they are paying attention or not. So it discourages the speaker. Encouragement, motivation, kab milega? When you listen properly. And how can I know you are listening properly? See, that is the kind of feedback that you have given, that you are tired. That is a non-verbal communication we have learned. Understood? Your body language, the way you were sitting, I understood that you have got tired. First, second lecture में आपका tiredness आ गया. 1 दिसंबर के बाद क्या करोगे आप लोग? 3 4 ज्यादा लेक्चर पढ़ने वाले हैं अभी. तो लास्ट लेक्चर में क्या होगा आपका? Okay, that's not the point of discussion. So I wanted to tell you, listener will get the encouragement when the speaker is listening attentively, giving a proper feedback. So the speaker will talk properly. So motivation, encouragement can be given to the speaker through listening. Okay, these are the obstacles. We will not discuss this. Tomorrow we will discuss and cultivating good listening, and then the chapter will be done. It is very small chapter. That's why I have selected that.